Hello students, this is the second part of straight lines JEE advanced model problems, that too single answer type problems. So this is our first problem, today's first problem. Equation of a line makes intercepts 3 and 4 on x and y axis respectively. X intercept bracket small a equal to 3, y intercept small b equal to 4. The required equation, the required line, what is the required line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is intercept form of a straight line. X by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1, or in other words I can say 4x plus 3y equal to 12. 4x plus 3y equal to 12. So first option is correct. Easy problem only. Yeah, our next problem. If one vertex of an equilateral triangle is 3, 4 and its base BC equation is x plus y equal to 5, then the length of each side of the triangle. Interesting problem, students, listen here. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, say ABC. A is given as here 3, 4 and BC equation is given, and what is that? X plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we want to find each side of the equal triangle. Let it be A and each side. I will write that. Let each side of triangle be A, because equilateral, no, all sides are equal. Do one thing, Nana. From A draw perpendicular on opposite side. Say this is D. Automatically AD is the altitude, AD only the median, AD only angular bisector, AD is everything. Okay, what I can say, D is the midpoint of BC, or AD is the height of the triangle or altitude of the triangle. Okay, I will write AD equal to altitude of triangle, which is root 3 by 2 into side. This is the formula to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle. Okay, students, so let it be equation 1. AD means, in other words, what I can say, distance from the point A 3, 4 to the line x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. By using distance formula, directly I can find AD equal to distance formula mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Okay, I will write here is equal to ax1, that is 3 plus 4 minus 5 mod root over 1 plus 1, that is equal, what is this, 5, no? This is 7, 2 by root 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. What I can say, AD equal to root 2. I will write here AD equal to root 2. So now what equation 1 saying that root 2 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into small a. So what I can say, Nana, A here? Yeah, A is equal to 2 root 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 root 2 by root 3. This is the answer for this. Okay. Yeah, students, our next problem, 10th problem. Given the family of lines A times of 3x plus 4y plus 6 plus b times of x plus y plus 2 equal 0, the line of the family situated at the greatest distance from the point P 2, 3 has equation. Interesting question, students, listen. So what is the equation of the form? Yeah, lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0 is the equation. This is represent family of straight lines. What type of family is depend upon L1 and L2, Nana, here? Here lambda 1 and lambda 2 are two parameters. Okay, sometimes you can write this one as L1 plus lambda L2 also equal to 0. Both are same. Just I divided through by lambda 1, lambda 2 by lambda 1, another real number or parameter lambda, then I can say that lambda 1 plus lambda 2 equal to 0. That's why this will always represent a family of straight lines. What type of families depend upon the nature of L1 and L2. If L1 and L2 are intersecting lines, all this family gives concurrent lines. If these two lines are parallel, automatically all the set of lines also parallel to one to each other. So I will show you, students. For example, L1, L2 are intersecting lines and point of intersection is 2, 3, for example. So what with the different values of lambda 1 lambda 2, you get infinitely many lines, all will pass through 2, 3 only. So what type of families depend upon L1 and L2? Nana? If L1 and L2 intersecting, so family of straight lines becomes concurrent lines. If these two are parallel, L1 L2 are parallel, with the different values of lambda 1 lambda 2, you get infinitely many parallel lines. So what I can say, family of parallel lines. Okay, yeah. Observe here, students. Given lines, I will first of all I will write given lines. What are the given lines? A times of 3x plus 4y plus 6 plus b times of x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 gives what type of lines? See here, what type of means, just like lambda 1 means A, nana, lambda 2 means B, but in this form lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal 0 form. What type of lines depend upon L1 L2? L1 means 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal 0. L2 means x plus y plus 2 equal 0. What type of lines they are? They are intersecting lines. Observe, they are not parallel, no, they are intersecting lines. So what this form, nana, it will give a concurrent lines. Okay, what the point of concurrency means? Just what the point of intersection of those two lines, that only the point of concurrency. Gives concurrent lines. Sorry. Concurrent lines and point of concurrency. Is point of intersection of what? 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 and what is that, na? X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So that is means just I want to find what is that. I will solve here. 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 and 4x plus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Just I multiplied 4 on either side of second equation. Okay, students, listen, minus these two get cancelled. Minus x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2 any one of the equation, you get y equal to 0. What I can say, the point of concurrency is 2, 0. Okay, students, the point of concurrency 2, 0. Okay, so what is the meaning of the problem? I want to explain, students, listen. All these lines are passing through the point minus 2, 0. Okay, one more point is going to be 2, 3, somewhere 2, 3. Now we want to find out a line among this all or family of line which is greatest distance from this point. Greatest distance means perpendicular distance. Observe, Nana, this is one of the line, so this is the distance, say d1. So this another line, so this another distance. So among these two distances, this distance is more than this. Means this is one of the required line. Such a way that we want to identify a line which is farthest from the point 2, 3. Farthest from the point 2, 3. Students, listen, interesting thing, Nana. Observe here, students, for example, this fixed pointer. This is one line. Yeah, see here. This is distance. This is another line. This is the distance. What happened? If the line is moving away from the point, we are getting distance maximum. Okay, what situations we get maximum distance? That is interesting thing. So I will show you, students, listen. So that line should be perpendicular to the line segment joining given point of concurrence. This line is the greatest one. Observe, if this is perpendicular to the point of concurrency and 2, 3, observe, Nana, this distance only the greatest. Observe, this one among all, this is greatest. Means what is the meaning of that? The required line is passing through point of concurrency and also perpendicular to the line segment joining point of concurrency and given point. I hope you people understood. Okay, one second I want to explain. Important nana here. This is fixed point. This is point of concurrency. This is one of the line nana. So observe here. This is the distance from the line to line. For example, another line is taken. This is another line. This is another line. This is the distance. What I am saying, through this point you join these two. Through this point you can draw a line which is perpendicular to that. So this distance will greatest. Observe this distance and this distance. Observe, this is only the greatest. Means what is the meaning of that? The required line is passing through point of concurrency and also perpendicular to the line segment joining -2, 0 and 2, 3. That I will write. So I will write here the required line what I can say, point of concurrency is taken as some a nana, given point is already given p here. So the required line, this is a, the required line is perpendicular to AB, AP and passing through what is that? Given point A, point of concurrency. Just that is the required line. Now we want to find out. So what is here A? I want to use another color. A equal to -2, 0. What is P nana here? 2, 3. So important model nana, important model. Yeah, slope of AP, what is that? 3 minus 0 by 2 plus 2, that is equal 3 by 4. Slope of required line. Slope of required line equal to -4 by 3, because the required line should be perpendicular to AP only, no? Slope of that line is -1 by slope of AP only. Equation of required line. Y minus y1 0 equal to -4 by 3 into x plus 2. 3y equal to -4x minus 8, or 4x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the required straight line. Where is that? Here. First option is correct. I hope you people understood. No? Concept is important. Here, important thing, again listen. These all are concurrent lines. This is one point. This is A, this is P. We want to find out equation of a straight line is farthest from the point P, means that should be the line perpendicular to AP. Perpendicular to AP and passing through A. One thing. What is the straight line which is the distance from P to, that is least, means this one only, this line only, the line AP only. The distance from P to 0. The point should be on that. So on that time the required line is AP only. Okay. Okay students, our next problem, Lx plus My plus n equal to 0, Mx plus Ny plus L equal to 0 and Nx plus Ly plus M equal to 0 are concurrent lines. Given that Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 and Mx plus Ny plus L equal to 0 and Nx plus Ly plus M equal to 0 are concurrent. Students, already have the condition. What the condition? Det concept LMN MNL NLM, det should be 0. Now I want to write here what we will get: L times of NM minus L square minus M times of m square minus nl. Okay students, plus n times of ml minus n square equal to 0. This is the condition. Now I want to simplify that. Students, listen here. I will write lmn minus l cube minus m cube plus nlm plus nlm minus n cube equal to 0. What is this, Nana? L cube plus m cube plus n cube equal to 3lmn. We know that if x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, then either x plus y plus z equal to 0 or L equal to m x equal to y equal to z. So but what happened? So L plus m plus n equal to 0 or L equal to m equal to n. But especially for this problem I can't take this. In general, x cube plus y cube z cube is equal to 3xyz. Now what happened here, Nana? Either x plus y plus z equal to 0 or x equal to y equal to z. This is okay in algebra. But here in this situation, L plus m plus n equal to 0 only. But this not happens, because if L equal to m equal to n, these three lines becomes coincident lines. What is the given problem? They are concurrent line, not coincident line, concurrent line. That's why this case should be ruled out, Nana. So finally what we have? L plus m plus n equal to 0. Now I will go with the option 1. L plus m plus n equal to 0. Okay, so next problem. The diagonals AC and BD of a rhombus intersect at 5, 6. First of all, I want to draw the diagram. This is a rhombus, a special type of parallelogram. So A, B, C, D is a rhombus, BD is one diagonal, AC is another diagonal. Diagonals are right bisectors but not in equal in length. That should take care. M is the point of intersection. Intersected. M is given as 5, 6. A is given as what, Nana, here? 3, 2. Then equation of BD, easy only, no? BD is perpendicular to AC only, no? So a point on BD is already given as 5, 6. We want its slope. Using slope of AC, you can find slope of BD. That's why first of all I want slope of AC. Slope of AC, that is equal to slope of AM, both are same, that is equal to 6 minus 2 by 5 minus 3. 6 minus 2 4, 5 minus 3 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore slope of BD equal to minus 1 by 2, since BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, so now I want to find equation of BD directly, because a point is there, that is 5, 6. Equation of BD is y minus 6 slope minus 1 by 2 into x minus 5. 2y minus 12 equal to minus x plus 5, or x plus 2y minus 17 equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line BD. X plus 2y equal to 17. So I will go with fourth. Okay students, next question. The family of straight lines concurrent at the point. Interesting problem. Family of straight lines, what? 2a plus 3b into x plus a minus b into y plus 2a minus 4b equal to 0. We want to find the point of concurrency of family of this straight line. First of all, you want to convert the lines in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0 nana. Okay, so lambda L1 means in the form of ax plus by plus c equal 0. L2 means a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0 form. Okay. Okay, what I am doing, students, here I want to take a common. First of all, we will take a common 2x here plus y plus 2, plus if you take b common 3x minus y minus 4b equal to 0. Now this is in the form of, I will write, this is in the form of L1 lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0, where L1 means what none here, 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. L2 means what none, that is 3x minus y minus what is this, 4b is taken, just 4 only this one. Okay, 4 equal to 0. So these two, observe nana, these two are intersecting lines. No? Try to find the intersecting point of L1 L2, that only the point of concurrence. Okay, just we want to solve these two, add them, 5x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 5 by 2, sorry 2 by 5, x equal to 2 by 5, I got x, substitute that x for any one of the equations to get y value. What you got nana, x equal to 2 by 5. Now to find y value, substitute this x value any one of the equation. So 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So 2 into 2 by 5 plus y plus 2 equal to 0. 4 by 5 plus 2 equal to minus y, or minus 14 by 5 equal to y. What I can say, y equal to minus 14 by 5. So I can say that point of intersection is 2 by 5 comma minus 14 by 5. Okay, next question, students. The graph of the function y equal to sin x into sin of x plus 2 plus cos square of x plus 1 is dash. Interesting problem, important model. So y equal to what nana, sin x into sin of x plus 2 plus cos square of x plus 1. Okay, so already you have formula. What is that? Cos of a plus b, sorry, minus cos of a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Here I want 2, that's why multiplying 2 on the other side. 2y equal to 2 sin x into sin of x plus 2 plus 2 cos square of x plus 1. Students, listen Nana here. So actually we will get reverse of that form. Actually you need minus, no, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Here I want to write cos of a minus b first. Cos of a minus b, x plus 2 minus x2 minus cos of a plus b. A plus b is 2x plus 2. Okay, plus 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta means cos 2 theta plus 1. Formula, so what I can write, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, 2x plus 2 plus 1. Okay, this is 2y. Friends, now observe here, these get cancelled. 2y equal to cos 2 plus 1, or y equal to cos 2 plus 1 by 2, or y equal to some constant. So constant, cos 2 constant only, 1 cos 2 constant. Y equal constant means a line parallel to x axis. A line parallel to x axis, a straight line parallel to x axis. I can say answer is 1. Okay, students, our next problem, if 3a minus 2b plus 5c equal to 0. Under this condition, yeah, this ax plus by plus c equal 0 represent family of concurrent lines. Now you want to find point of concurrence. Important model, student, this one. Okay, so given line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Actually you want to convert this in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Only two parameters, but here three parameters are there, A, B, C. So you want to eliminate any one of them by using given condition. Okay. So I want to eliminate any one of them. I want to eliminate C. That's why AX plus BY. Instead of C, what I can write here, Nana? Instead of C, I can write 2B minus 3A by 5 equal to 0. 5AX plus 5BY plus 2B minus 3A equal to 0. Now I want to write in standard form. You take A common, Nana. So 5x minus 3 plus B is taken common, 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Observe, this is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. What type of family depend upon L1 and L2? L1 is this and L2 is this. Observe, they are intersecting. That's why family of concurrent lines. What is the point of concurrency means? What is the point of intersection of these two? Point of intersection of students, what is that? 5x minus 3 equal to 0 and 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Just solve them, what will get? X equal to 3 by 5 and y equal to minus 2 by 5. So what I can say, the point of concurrency is 3 by 5 comma minus 2 by 5. I can say 3 is the correct answer to the problem. Okay. So important model student, this one. Yeah, next problem, 18th problem. Yeah, a triangle ABC is given. First of all, I will draw the triangle ABC. After that, I will explain what should do. Students, listen, Nana. This is triangle ABC. A is given as 2 comma 3. B is given as 1 comma minus 3. C is given as minus 4 comma minus 7. Okay. D is a point on AC, so that BD divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Means automatically D should be the midpoint, and that is important. BD divides triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. Means BD is median. So D is the midpoint of AC. Just I can find coordinates of D directly. Students, observe, D equal to minus 4 plus 2, minus 2 by 2 minus 1, comma minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 by 2 minus 2. I got D. Now again I want to read the problem, students. What do you want? Yeah, the equation of the line drawn through B and right angle to BD. Okay, just to you want to find equation of a line which should be drawn through D, Nana. Drawn through B and perpendicular to BD. Okay, easy only, no? A point on the line is 1 comma minus 4. Just to you want to find slope of L. Slope of L you can obtain because BD is perpendicular to L. First of all, try to find slope of BD. Slope of BD equal to where is the D? Here I want to write minus 1 comma minus 2. Yeah, minus 2 plus 3 by minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to, what is this, Nana? 1 by minus 2. Therefore, slope of L equal to 2. Since reason is L is perpendicular to BD. Now we have slope and a point. Directly you can find equation of BD. Okay. So somewhere I want to write here on level. Slope is 2. Remember it. Equation of L is y minus y1 equal slope 2 into x minus x1. So y plus 3 equal to 2x minus 2, or 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the required straight line. 2x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. All y are positives here, that's why I want to write y positive. Y minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Both are same only. Y minus 2x plus 5, I can go with option 1. Okay. Friends, next problem. Here 3 lines are given. 3 lines are passes through same point where alpha belongs to real number, then lambda lies in the interval. So indirectly given lines are concurrent lines. Given lines, what are the lines? Lambda x plus sin alpha into y plus cos alpha equal to 0, x plus cos alpha into y plus sin alpha equal to 0, x minus sin alpha into y plus cos alpha equal to 0 are concurrent. Yeah, so concurrent means the det concept I want to use. The det formed by the coefficient should be 0. So that I will write down. Here I will write, that is determinant of lambda sin alpha cos alpha 1 cos alpha sin alpha 1 minus sin alpha cos alpha should be 0, such a way that you want to find the range of alpha. Okay, I hope you people understood. Easy one only now. Listen students, lambda times of cos square alpha minus of minus plus sin square alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha minus sin alpha. Okay, so what next? Plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. I want to write here, therefore lambda, this is 1 only, minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus sin square alpha. Students, minus sin alpha into cos alpha minus cos square alpha equal to 0, or lambda minus 2 sin alpha into cos alpha plus sin square alpha minus cos square alpha equal to 0, or in other words, listen students, lambda is equal to 2 sin alpha into cos alpha, okay, what happened, plus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. What is lambda? Lambda is equal to sin 2 alpha, this one, plus cos 2 alpha. Just what you got, lambda equal to sin 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha. What is the range of lambda means? It is enough to find range of sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha. Already you know that range of sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha. I will write here. We know that a cos alpha plus b sin alpha belongs to, I will write here, what I will write, c minus root over a square plus b square comma c plus root over a square plus b square with close interval. Here c not there, no, that's so directly I want belongs to close interval 0 minus 1 square plus 1 2 comma 0 plus root 2. Therefore lambda belongs to closed minus root 2 to closed root 2. This is the range of alpha. I can say 2 is correct answer for that.